Hi guys, so welcome or welcome back to my YouTube video. In this video, I'll talk about my BHMS journey. Like not a journey, but let's start now. Um, when I first joined BHMS, initial days, I thought everything will make sense. Like everything will fall into its place. Like now I joined a college. Now everything will make sense. But honestly, nothing did. Like in the first few days I was like, what is happening? Nothing is making sense. What is happening in life? I don't understand anything, bro. What is happening? And all that. And it's not because BHMS is a course like that. It is because it feels overwhelming in initial days. Like first, you left your home, new college, new people, new syllabus, new books, new friends, new room, everything. Like everything changes out of a sudden. Even if you have lived like I lived in Kota, even if you have lived anywhere, left your home already, then also you will feel like that way overwhelming. Even if you have left your home already, like people think that if you are leaving home for the first time, then only you will feel this, but no, you will always feel this no matter how many times you leave your home. Okay, so it is because of home is home no matter what. Like even if you have lived somewhere, even nothing matters. Like home is home, and if you are living that, you will obviously feel like this way. And everyone is not same in making friends, in making like interesting and all that. So it takes time. With time, it feels good. Like in the initial days, I was like, what have you done with your life, baby girl? Like, what are you doing? But no, it was only like my overflowing emotions. Like I was not able to uh, like manage my emotions. And the thing which I learned most important is like first month. Like I didn't know earlier, like before joining college, that first month I thought first month is like you learn about the course, you learn about BHMS, you learn about all the other matlab, bookish things. But no, first month is completely different. First month is for you to learn yourself, understand yourself, like know yourself first. Like it is for that. Like I am knowing myself now. Like in the class, I people choose me. Like people choose me at CR. So I am becoming more like a kind of responsible. I am not a very responsible person, I know, but I'm becoming. And yeah, and I'll tell you about, but just a little later. Like, right now, let's talk about first this. Like, you learn yourself, you learn your patterns, you learn that how you behave with people, what kind of friendships you attract, and college life is dramatic. Like, accept it. College life is dramatic. You can't escape the drama. You have to be immune to it. Like, it won't be like there. I won't participate in any drama, so I won't be. In any drama. No, you will be in drama even if you don't want to participate in any dramatic thing. Then also you will be in uh, all the college, like not all, but you will be in some college dramas. So be immune to it. Like let yourself, like my teacher told me that as matlab, don't think that, oh my god, they said me this, oh my god, how will I, like how can they say that to me, like me. No, you have to be like, that thing happened, so what happened. Now I'm good, it can't affect me. So you have to think like that. And now let's come to another part, that is hostel life. Hostel life in childhood, we used to like think of it like, oh my god, we'll have so much fun in hostel life. Like we'll live in hostel life, bro. Like you can have fun with your new friends in the morning, and in the evening you can be depressed. Okay, you can be depressed, you can feel depressed in the evening. You can have homesickness in the night. You can have like in the class also, bro. It's not the only evening. Or you can have like a your moment, like homesickness or feeling sad or like missing anyone, you can have this feeling anytime, 24 into 7. And people think, you will see everyone like you will see your batchmates, your everyone like they're happy and all that, but no, only their pillows know that what they are feeling, what they are suffering. So we see smiling faces, we see all the, like they manage everything, but it's not that they are not feeling anything, they are not, they are dealing with all the things. It feels like I never I never used to show my emotions like a lot, but now that when I came here, I cried a lot. I cried so much that I have to call. I had to call my friend. Like I don't want to depend on people because they show me that why I should not depend on people. So, but that time I had to call because I was feeling helpless, hopeless. So she comforted me. So you need people, you need people, in good people in your life. Like you need have some like don't be like I don't have any friends at home, or I don't have any friends of school or coaching. No, no, don't be like that person. You will be so alone. You will feel so frustrated. You will feel what the like you will feel all the things. So have friends, have good friends. Okay. No, no, no. Come to the golden point. Okay. It's good actually. You can have like a moments where you feel, oh, is this course right? Have I chosen the right thing, or these things you can have like moments like these. But there are certain moments, there are certain wins which like convince you. You like you can't deny that. Those things are very beautiful. Like when say when some senior like um, recognize you. Recognize means like that you are doing all the things they are saying. So then, like they be a little nice to you, like good to you. It feels good, like very good when they help you. And teachers, this is the best part. Oh my god, when teachers praise you or like anything, like just a little, even just a little, not something big or grand, just teacher like just recognize. I mean, I can't explain it. You will get this only if you have joined college. You are in first year under a fresher. Like only then you can get this feeling. Like you can get this feeling after that also, because you have um, been there, so you can feel that. But if you, I know you can relate. I know. So, but this feeling is the best. If like when teachers praise you, or like so it feels really good. There are certain wins, like when you go, I went in the OPD to take medicines, like homeopathic medicine, and it worked. This helped me in gaining faith in my pathy. Like it made me believe more. It made me believe so that I can say to people that homeopathy is good. Like try it and trust homeopathy. Like so I tried my pathage medicine, and they are such amazing, like very good. Literally, I just took one or two times the pills, and I am completely fine right now. So there are wins when you see the patients and they tell you, like not to us, but our teachers, our HODs or professors or like the doctors, then it feels so nice that one day I'll be here, I'll be the intern, I'll be the one doing PG, I'll be the one being professor, or I'll be the HOD, or I'll do such great things, all that, like everything, bro. There's a lot of money also in BHMS. Respect, money, and everything. So these are the things. And one last thing which you must remember, like, if you are joining medical college, if you are coming in medical field, I'm not talking about BHMS or BAMS or MBBS or anything BUMS. If you are coming in medical field, BSc nursing or anything, there will be power hierarchy. There must be a power hierarchy. You can't skip that. There there will be always people ahead of you, like in par. So you need to like learn this. um you're not if you are doing BHMS, or if you are doing any course which is less acceptable in society, you are not alone. I am with you guys, I'm here, and I love you all. Thank you so much for being here, thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope you can relate with it, and I hope I can help you further also. So I love you all, bye.